Immediately, I gave autonomy to local governments in my state. I gave autonomy to House of Assembly. I gave autonomy to judiciary. And all of them came and said, okay, the states should also copy and do it. Where are those states? So I'm sorry when I told Comrade Aremu, I said NLC was going to Imo about salaries in Imo. I said, if you ask me, go to 28 states where they are not paying salaries. What are you doing about those ones? Don't pick one. Don't just pick one and go there. It means that you are picking one because Imo is your state. You are concerned about Imo. I am aware that most of the states are not keeping to it. Even the 30% minimum wage. Immediately we went back. I started my 30% minimum wage up to the time I left. So I can stand here and say, so all are things that you will not know. What somebody one day, when they call me to give award, I remind them that it's part of these things that we did, whether accidentally or deliberately. And so for workers, the best thing I always know is when I see workers are very happy. The day I was appointed, Comrade Aremu is there. I said, after the problem in Plateau, they are moving me to another problem. But I have no reason to complain. By the time I got there, I saw almost all the people that are working with me are very friendly people, those I've worked with. And that is why I always say the renewed hope is hope for everybody, including all of you union leaders and civil servants. So I want to use the opportunity to thank you very much for this award. And as evidence of kind gesture too, Remujo reminded me that today is the fellowship. Today is the 40th anniversary. So I have asked him and said, for me as a minister, I will now make it today declare that they should go and process and give awards, a fellowship to fellowship of MNILS as part of celebration for this 40th anniversary, so that these awards can be given to people in recognition. In recognition. So that is what I will say. I don't want to say much, because each time I'm with him, he will remind me that please don't go to Senate. Please remain with us at the Ministry for Labor. Maybe that is not what my constituency will also say, because as I am now, I'm a very confused man. Because whether to go to left or go to right, but pray for me to take the best decision. If I remain with you, I will remain as a comrade. But if I go there, as I told Comrade Ashomale, I said they mentioned you to go and speak on behalf of the labor. I said no, Comrade Aremu should speak. They said why? I said as a senator, I think you have partly committed class suicide. You may be shifting a little bit. Until we see you for 4 years, we will not confirm that you are intact. So it's only after that time that we'll know whether you have committed class suicide or you are still within as a comrade. So on behalf of myself and my family, the entire ministry, I thank you very much for this award. God bless you all. Cyril, oh, thank you very much too. Let me not forget you, and tomorrow you will not recognize me again.
Thank you, Minister. I assure you that would happen. We've come a long way. So we'll always recognize you, Minister. Let's appreciate the Minister.